What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be hiking Table Rock and the Chimneys in North Carolina. It's apparently a fairly busy trail. I thought if I came on a weekday early in the morning when it was kind of cold, I'd be like the only one or maybe one other person. But I got here right at sunrise and I am the 6th car here. So we'll see if we run into anyone else on the trail. I believe it's about a 6-mile loop, but from what I've read, the elevation is pretty steep. It's been recommended that you go counterclockwise. I think if you go clockwise, the downhills can get a bit sketchy, so it's easier to go up the steep sections than down them. But yeah, there's supposed to be some really good views here, so let's go. I feel like this trail turns into a creek bed when it rains a lot. As far as I can tell, the trail just goes up like this for another like half mile. I know it probably doesn't look steep on the GoPro, but it's really steep. So I'm pretty sure that is Table Rock Mountain, which is where we'll be ending today. That might be the Chimneys. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm pretty sure that one straight ahead is Hawksbill Mountain, which I went to last spring. And I think that one way in the distance is Grandfather Mountain. I'm not sure if that's the right direction, but it looks like it's the same shape. I'll try and look that up when I get home and see if that's Grandfather Mountain or not. But I'm pretty sure this one is Hawksbill. So I'm pretty sure this is where we're headed next, and I'm guessing that piece right there, that formation, is why it's called the Chimneys. It's a bit hard to see on the GoPro, but there is a formation that sticks up right there. So this parking lot is where you would normally park for a shorter hike to either the Chimneys or Table Rock. It's closed right now. There's a seasonal closure. I believe it reopens April 1st. So about another week and this parking lot will be open too.
So those rocks there are the ones where I was just standing. And we came around this way. I love how cool all this looks. It's a little hard to see all the definition in the screen. This is my phone. It was too dark for my GoPro to pick it up. But it's really cool how all this formed. This is why it takes me so long to hike somewhere. I get distracted by every lookout. Also, there's definitely some small animal over here that I can hear. I can't see it. Oh, it's a bird. Well, I didn't realize it, but one of the overlook areas of the Chimneys is actually closed right now for Peregrine Falcon nesting to protect their habitat. So I won't be able to see that one this time, but I believe there's one more this way that I can check out. So apparently they're both actually closed right now. I did get some good views along the way, so that was good. I might come back, I guess, after August 15th to check this out. So now we're headed to the last stop of this hike, which is Table Rock Mountain. I have seen a few people out today. I saw a solo camper, a couple of groups of backpackers, and a really big group of rock climbers. So it is a fairly popular place. Oh, also right now I believe I'm on the Mountain to Sea Trail, which would account for some of the backpackers. past the top, so not that much further to go, hopefully. I'd say this is the summit. So I don't believe you can even see like where I parked from here. It's way down in the valley. Alright, so I'm gonna head back down now, and once I get down off the top part of the mountain, it's gonna be a different trail back to the car. I believe we'll follow the Mountain to Sea trail all the way back to the parking lot. So I just watched my GoPro battery go from like 30% straight to 0 and shut off. Has anyone else ever had their GoPro do that? On that subject, has anyone had GoPro and switched to Insta360? I've been debating switching and I can't decide if it'd be better or not. Let me know if you've used both of these cameras, or even either one. Just let me know what you think. So far, this trail has been a lot more of a gentle slope compared to the way up. Alright, so I think I'm just about back to my car. Overall, this was a really challenging but rewarding hike. There's really steep in some sections, but there's some really good views. I think I'm going to come back in the summer to see the rest of the Chimneys, and it'll be nice to see it when everything's green too, so that'll be fun. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.